So this is his camera Obscura. Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a Tinker Crate. And I'm really excited to get into this with you and show you what this month has in store for us. And if you're new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings like this to show you curriculum ideas or organizational ideas. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button below. Let's get into this box. So this one says, make your own camera Obscura. That sounds very Obscura. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know what that means. Build a pinhole camera and explore lenses and light. This month's boxes I feel like are very intriguing to me and have harder words that make me feel dumb. No. So when you open it up, you can see our little blueprints on the top right there. And so it's showing, it looks more like an old-fashioned type camera right here on the front. And then we have our blueprints right here for our instructions. We have our Tinker manual that is going to talk to us more about camera Obscura. So it has some different things about the lenses in here. Sometimes they have different activities. It has some different photography stuff. So that's very fun. Then we have, this is really thick foam, but it has stickers on the back. And this has a lot of stuff in it. I don't know everything that's in here, but there's some little circles. There's a few more circles in here. The little thumbtacks, I can't remember what these things are called. They're not pokey on the bottom, but some of those. And then we have this packet that looks like it has all the pieces to make our camera in. And that's all, everything's like wrapped up in these little packets. So I guess I'll have to show them to you when my son opens them. And I'm gonna let him start doing this and we will let you know how it goes. Back here with Mazer. He just finished his Tinker Crate and we're excited to show you it. Okay, can you hold it up so they can see? So this is his camera Obscura. There you go. This is how you focus it, is by pulling it in and out, and then you can look through here to be able to see see outside, or you can focus it to make it clear or fuzzy. So that's really cool. And something I really liked about this activity, first of all, it was really easy for him to do. He did the whole thing by himself and it took maybe 15 minutes. So the making of it was really, really quick. So what was the hardest part, do you think, then?
When I made the mistake.
When you made a mistake. Read the instructions, because when you make mistakes, that's the hardest part. What was the easiest part?
Making the boxes.
Making the boxes, so folding them up and getting them to stay up. That was the hardest part, and we didn't show you the lens up here you can look at, so you can kind of see the mirror back there and reflecting off the light. So the other thing that I liked about this, besides it being really easy for him to do by himself, was the resources available in this booklet. So it gives you tons of things you can do. You could write your name and have it reflected so you could see it. It had one where you could make it into a projector. And so let me find the picture in here. You can take your smartphone right here and put it on top of it and try to cast it like a projector. So that was a lot of fun to try to do. And then also it came with, this is tracing paper right here. And it will fit, you take off this portion and you put the tracing paper right here. And then you can focus an image. You need lots of light and lots of darkness. So it's kind of hard to find the perfect environment. And you put the tracing paper over it and you can trace the image kind of like you're taking a photograph. So that is really cool. It's something you can do. And then it also came with these extra rings that you can put on the front of it and shine a flashlight through it right here and have some different designs. So I really loved all the things in the booklet that go along with this project, especially since it doesn't take that long to make, but there's a ton of extra things you can do with it. And so we enjoyed it. Did you enjoy making this? Yeah, he's having fun pushing it up and down.
Hey look, it just disappeared.
Yeah, it disappeared off the screen. So if you're interested in seeing more unboxings like this, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe below, and we will see you next time.